Today's a cool day. I'm about to roll over 190,000 miles in my Lexus ES300 1992. It's gonna be dope. I'm planning on, because I'll be home and that's like 8 miles before I roll over. So what I'm doing is I'm planning on going home, chilling for a little bit because I'm on my way home from work. I work overnight. It's like 7 in the morning right now. But going home, I'm gonna have some coffee, eat food, chill out for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go on a drive, and I'm gonna film the last 2, maybe last mile with you guys. It's a digital fucking dash, so I'm trying to wait for the sun to set a little bit, and then I'm gonna film it. So I don't have too much time to record either. But 190,000 out of a fucking 92 Lexus ES300. They usually they're same as the Camry, and they're known for like 400,000 miles out of an engine. So I'm gonna film next clip, and next clip I'll be rolling over. So change of plans. It'll be dark out when I pass over 190K. I want you guys to be able to see the gauges, and during the day it's pretty hard to catch on camera, so it'll be dark out on my way to work. But I figured I'd give you guys a quick walk around and a cold start of it, and shot on the interior real quick. 24-inch light bar. This video is for the non-subscribers. I have about 50 other videos if you guys want to check them out on this car. .5% tint in the back, 20 in the front. I'm gonna get it redone. I'm gonna get 5s all around, and the windshield's gonna be 50%. I don't know if you guys can catch this, but this pollen is from just today only, because I washed the car yesterday. Fucking all that yellow shit on there. I'm about to rinse that off real quick before I go to sleep for work tonight. But next clip, it'll be dark out. It'll be 12 hours from now for me, a second from now for you. Alright, so we're doing a quick cold start before we do the 190,000 mile mark. Like I said, 188.92. It's like a 5-mile drive to the highway. So I give us 3 miles to drive in once we enter the parkway. Alright guys, so I almost forgot. I was at work. I saw it was at that number, and literally I slammed on the brakes, cut across 3 fucking lanes because I didn't want to miss this. So I'm turning my hazards off, and we're gonna get rolling, because this is something I want to film in my car, because I might have this thing for 100,000 more miles, and when I roll over 3, I want every 10,000 on video with a picture. So we're doing it real soon here. I don't know how long it's been on that for. There we go, 190,000 miles. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. In about 4 months, 5 months from now, I'll be rolling over 200,000. That'll be dope, so stay tuned for that video too. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Liam's Lexus Build. And if you guys want more videos on this car, be sure to check out the rest of my channel. Peace.